touch me. I know me change myself or God change me. I know me change myself. The humanitarian not coming on me and God give. For bring down people. My mechanism towards humanity will never allow me to bring down people. I don't want over here make people look bad and look worse than them is. That's how the only motive on the fucking mission, unfair, wicked. I hear soon up on the upper victimize people, and that's what they want to do with Jobbers. If Jobbers break him, look at sister him for God, or him sister in line for God on faith. But you don't build up the false narrative for put on people for false narrative. God not like ugly. God hate ugly. God not like when you know do ugly things to people, not because a thief is a thief, when you go and tell lie on a thief. Not because a graper is a graper, when you go and tell lie on a graper. You have to stop. God not like ugly when you have no misery, no problem them. You must keep them to yourself because other people. You think I want from a platform I love and laugh and talk about love and all these things and fuck and man and educate me look at people them. That's all I want to do. I don't want to do this. This is not me. I only not gonna make me so. This for me. You wanna leave me alone. Leave me, make me be. Leave me, make me prosper. You wanna leave me. Let go me short, now my press. I'm dishonest. No. There's one in the face of the car to get that phone. Screen recording them. If you see 5 negative comments enough, and that create my far. Check the screen recording page them. If you not see 5 negative comments enough, and I since of lately when you want make me feel look bad, I saw the negative comment them a come by when you want me feel look bad.
Oh God, you know what?
Screen recording them. Check the screen recording them and see how the app can dealt with you.
But Cubas,
I'm a problematic person.
But Cubas, enough time I see Angel there reason upon topic and I disagree, and it's never like this yet. Enough time when I reason and disagree.
Angel, so I not agree with you, know.
Yeah.
I would talk it over.
Enough man in here, Angel a play much other morning, noon or night, and not talk about some stuff and don't disagree, and it's not an argument. Because everybody is entitled to their own opinion.
Disagree with me. My comment section always disagree with me. Misty and Desmond in my register. My comment section always disagree with me. And when them disagree with me, chat, what me always do? Me say, why you disagree with me? Explain. And when
exactly.
Explain why me say what me say.
Exactly. Enough time see your Angel a reason. Enough time see your Angel a reason and Angel disagreed with you. Say, you said, Angel, explain to me what you mean by this or whatever.
But comment section free to disagree with them.
Exactly, and that's the thing, them free to tell them the truth. And it's not fair in all honesty, don't fear. No. And that can't be right because it don't make no sense to have a friend and you can't tell them when they're wrong.
Commentators, them, some moderator type it there. Me I'll apologize to anybody who I'm offending in my comment section. Me I'll apologize to my people them all the time.
You see, the problem is them don't want to tell them when they're wrong, and then they're not willing to take accountability, which is wrong. And that's how it go. And that's how it go. Everybody is entitled to their own opinion.
Controlling and them a bully.
Exactly, and that's why them say 7 brother, 7 different mind. Everybody not gonna have the same opinion.
Me not afraid I wanna make sure
the bully thing not gonna work with people, man. Them to stop it.
You ever tell us something? Have a mind on your own. Because you see when you're a yes girl, them not gonna like you, but make them hate you for the right reason or make them hate you for the wrong reason. Don't you ever make people hate you for the wrong reason, make them hate you for the right reason. Remember me telling them that, don't please human being, please God. Because when you do bad, you have blood clot set up on yourself with God. Me not set up myself with God and please no blood clot human being when me and them piss shit and fart and all how fart stink. Yeah man. You mad. You mad girl and boy. Fuck do no. You think I'm afraid? Me avoid you because the humanity running in me. And God touch me and shine a different light for me. And God don't want me to do certain things. And that's why me avoid you and I'm afraid my blood clot afraid. Me not afraid. Fuck you know. You no go dig up on one dig up for me because remember nothing of that if you dig up. Pure fabricated story will come with from people and fabricate and victimize people. Remember me now have nothing for the dig up because I fuck out, suck out, duck out. Pure boy fuck me. That's why them fuck me, them want me and dig up. Pure money for my pussy. Pure boy fuck me. My pussy mileage run out. Burn out.
Cubas, me stand with your pal one of them fuck out, don't know every blood clot
My
thing.
pussy mileage rub out. Me now my body count. Hey. Me dash way 40, 17 blood clot belly. No, I lie. Dozen and quarter.
Me just not a college.
Pay a boy me fuck all about. Pay a girl man. I'm in a blood clot lose. When you go on go dig up on a false narrative and come for me, because I now come back.
Me target every day, Papa. Me that's how I make it clear from day one. Me
come back.
Me fuck right out. Me fuck a bag of man. So tell me something when me not tell the internet. Me.
Fuck out. So you want to dig up on a false narrative them now. Because you know come talk about cute boss I go like she innocent. Cute boss want look good too. You see me over here maintain. Me wherever I bring down myself and myself alone me bring down for my platform. You never see me over here try for blood clot maintain yet. You never see me over here telling us my pussy tight and me a good as. I'm good. See now one video upon. Do the sun beat me, cute boss? Do the sun beat me? Do the sun beat the one blood clot beat? Yes, Madina, your comments say me favor Moko. Moko or whatever them want say me favor, eh? From me born till now. Matter of fact, me everybody go say what me want blood clot say it not reach this so yet. It not reach this so yet. And even I go say what I want to say. What I say about looks? My mother breed for a rasta man. Me not have no edge. And me have a big forehead. Me have a comfortable pussy when no boy never put me through no trauma. Pure boy want me. A pure boy want me. No boy never put me through no trauma yet in a life. No boy not give me no sleepless night. A pure fuck me fuck and pass. No ram for fuck boy and pass. You crazy. One fuck book. One I move half a tree town, crossroad. One at a time you fuck down the whole of Punish Town Road. From blood clot Norman Lane, Caan Lane to Norman Lane to Kid Lane. When you look me start fuck a Coal Lane, Crusade Blood Clot Road, Pearland, Branatan, fuck down the whole of 3 Mile, going on Spanish Town Road, heading on to Spanish Town, the whole of Seaview, Boxer. I saw me have my pussy a box it all about like fly off a bread. What answer to me? What I do? What are you doing?
I know you start over a new parish.
And this you know what I do? My fuck don't know what Kingston and St. Andrew. I'm gonna one different parish gonna fuck it down. Cause when me got Caan for go fuck it down, me realize that Caan too small for fuck down. Everybody a family. I'm see us a boom and travel back on a plane. I'm come back home, I'm coming in one big parish for come fuck it down now. What I do to me? I fuck alone there for me name my body now. When I go ask anybody in my community, I'll my biggest enemy, them and go tell them the truth about me. What I do to my blood clot fuck out name? What you doing? What you blood clot doing to my fuck out name? Fuck do no man. Tired down you know. And this you know want bring down people for come subject to full no blood clot level. You know want bring people and drag people. That's what you don't want. For people see people bad like Uno. That you know want. Subject people to this one did blood clot one. But at the last time you click live and talk about Uno, this now got blood clot happen again. I mean I ask Uno that. This now got happen again, so you go and pick and bite till you drop down from blood pressure. Coming up, coming back. Yeah. Eh? Oh, blood vessel for boss. I mean, I have blood pressure. I'm a fuck half thing. Yes, me have blood pressure. And I say, pure boy, I fuck me half thing. Pure boy, I fuck me Desmolin. Me don't know, girl. Me can't get blood pressure. I'm fuck too half thing. Never say no boy, no turn down no fuck from me, no Desmolin. A pure boy, want me hold, you know.
All right, auntie, don't know, man. Sure. Don't know, man. You make your point already, my love. Don't.
All right, me don't know. And some look a drunk, all right, yeah. Some look a drunk, when a blood clot, some shit out, so boy shit pan, and do all kind of things going in a comment section and write off people blood clot good pitney. Eh? You don't think reputation make me bad? Somehow no have no blood clot, nothing about you know. Somehow no never have no dignity. Nothing about blood clot, you know, no boy never shit for me yet and or piss for me, no boy no turn me in a urinal and toilet, you know. Pain on my pussy boy fuck me, you know. Some people are over upon the app you will come and take liberty with you. It's not funny. Some drunk crow. If them for come over here come tell you them truth, them would even do that. Hey, chat later, you know.